In this video, you'll learn how to use the mirror command in ideCAD Architectural to create symmetrical building layouts quickly. We'll show you how to select architectural and structural elements, define a mirror axis using snap points, and lock direction with the Shift key for precision. You'll also understand the difference between mirroring in plan view and perspective view, and why perspective mode is ideal for duplicating all design elements, including beams and slabs. By the end of this video, you'll be able to efficiently mirror entire building sections, saving time while maintaining accuracy and consistency in your projects. At this point, you've completed nearly all the essential elements for one side of the story plan. To view and model the other half of the project, you have two options. You can manually replicate the elements, repeating the same steps as before. Or, if the two sides are symmetrical, it's much more efficient to use the mirror command to automatically generate the other half. This feature offers a highly practical and time-saving method when working on projects with symmetrical designs. You simply draw one side and mirror it to generate the other, ensuring accuracy, consistency, and a more efficient workflow. From the ribbon menu, navigate to the Home tab, go to the Modify section, and click the Mirror command. In the perspective view, select the objects you want to mirror. After the initial selection, deselect the elements that will be shared between both units, such as doors, walls, columns, beams, and axes. Once your selection is finalized, right-click to confirm. Then, define the mirror axis by clicking 2 points. This sets the direction along which the symmetry will be applied. To define the mirror direction precisely, use the snap nodes. Start by selecting a reference point, typically the midpoint of a wall or column, as the first node. Then, move the cursor in the desired direction and hold down the Shift key to lock the axis. Finally, left-click to confirm the mirror line. The program then generates and places mirrored copies of all selected objects directly in the perspective view, completing the symmetrical portion of the design efficiently and accurately. I prefer to perform this operation specifically in the perspective view, as it's the only mode that allows selecting and mirroring both architectural and formwork elements at the same time. If you attempt this in the plan view, only the objects from the currently active mode, either architectural or formwork plan, will be selected. Let me show you how this works. Activate the mirror command again. Select the objects to mirror. Then right-click to confirm the selection and define a sample mirror axis in the plan view, just to demonstrate how the system behaves in this mode. After the process is completed, you'll notice that the program did not mirror the beams and slabs because these elements are not visible in the current architectural plan mode. This clearly demonstrates that if you want to mirror all elements, walls, doors, furniture, as well as structural components like beams and slabs, it's best to perform the symmetry operation in the perspective view, where both architectural and structural elements are visible. With this step, we've completed the mirroring process for the current story. This allowed us to generate the other half of the project quickly, saving time and ensuring a consistent and symmetrical layout. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the knowledge base for more tips. See you in the following video.